Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question number 1. A rectangle is 8 centimeter by 6 centimeter. Calculate the length of one of the diagonal. The dimension of the rectangle are given. Length is 8 centimeter and its width is 6 centimeter. And we have to find the length of its diagonal. And you know that diagonal is the line joining the opposite vertices. And also in rectangle all angles are of 90 degree, because we have to find this the length of the diagonal of this triangle, and this triangle is right angled triangle, so we can apply the Pythagoras theorem that hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. So by plugging the values of x square is equal to 8 square plus 6 square, so x square is equal to 8 square is 64 and 6 square is 36. Their sum is 100, and because we have to find the value of x, so by taking square root on both sides, x is equal to 10 centimeter. This is the length of the diagonal. Now question number 2. An isosceles triangle has a base of 10 centimeter and height 12 centimeter. Question is calculate the length of its other two sides. Now first of all, students, we discuss about the diagram, and the diagram is an isosceles triangle, triangle ABC. This triangle is an isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. It the side AB and side AC both are equal, and height is given, that is 12 centimeter, and also remember the base is 10 centimeter. If in a triangle ABC, if we try to apply the Pythagoras theorem, we cannot apply, because no angle is C in vertex A, B and C, none of the angle is right angle. So we have to draw the this height, we have to draw the perpendicular, and when we draw the perpendicular from vertex to the opposite side, that will bisect, this by this perpendicular bisect this line which is given 10 centimeter, that will be divided into two equal parts, and half of 10 centimeter is 5 centimeter. Now we have to consider this triangle, this shaded part of the triangle, that is right angle triangle. Now we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So by using this theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to 12 square plus 5 square, these are the length of other two sides. So square of 12 is 144 and square of 5 is 25. Their sum is 169. Now by taking square root, x is equal to 13 centimeter. As the triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, so side AB and AC both are equal, so the length of each side is 13 centimeter. Now exercise number 10.1D. In this diagram, in this question, yes, this triangle, that is a combination of two triangles also. See, in first triangle, see the first part of the triangle is ABC. Its two sides are given, two elements, the length of two sides, one side is BC is 20 centimeter and AC is 24 centimeter, and we have to find the value of this G, that is the unknown length of the side. As this triangle, triangle ABC, that is a right angle triangle, so we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, this side AC, that is in just in front of, or that is in opposite side of the angle, right angle 24, so this is the AC, that is the hypotenuse. Now by applying the Pythagoras theorem, 24 square, that is equal to G square plus 20 square. Now by changing or by making G as a subject, So g square, that is equal to 24 square minus 20 square. By using calculator you can find the value of 24 square, that is 576, minus square of 20 is 400, and their difference is 176. By taking square root on both sides, the value of g is 4 square root of 10, or if in a decimal form we can write 13.27 centimeter. Now the second triangle ABD. In this triangle AD is given, that is 16 centimeter, and we have to find the value of h, and g we have already calculated. Now in triangle ABD, 16 square, because this 16 is a right angle, that is opposite to the right angle, so this is hypotenuse. 16 square is equal to g square plus h square, and we know that the value of g is 4 square root of 11, or directly we can plug in the value of g square as 176 plus h square. Now by making h square as a subject, 256 minus 176, because we have to write this 176 on other side, and its sign will be changed from positive to negative. Now their difference is 80. By taking square root on both sides, the value of h is 4 square root of 5 centimeter. Yes, unit is centimeter. Question number 5 है. चलो. Okay, now this in this diagram, that is a combination of three right angled triangles. Mean in this triangle, side L and K both are unknown, mean only one element is given, and in this green colored triangle, here also only one element is given. But as concerned to this first triangle from the left hand side, mean this yellow color shaded triangle, two elements 5 centimeter and 12 centimeter are given, and we can find the value of j by using the Pythagoras theorem. This angle is 90 degree, and the side opposite to 90 degree, this side is which is represented by the letter j, that is hypotenuse. So by using the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, that is equal to sum of square of other two sides. So j square is equal to 12 square plus 5 square. By using calculator, students, you can find the value of the 12 square, that is 144, plus 25. Their sum is 169. Now by taking square root on both sides, the value of j, that is equal to 13 centimeter. Now come to the next, or the middle triangle. The value of j is 13 centimeter. Now we can apply the Pythagoras theorem again. Angle 90, the side opposite to angle 90, mean this k, that is the hypotenuse. So now k square is equal to j square plus 6 square. The value of j is 13. So 13 square plus 6 square, and square of 13 is 169, plus square of 6 is 36. Their sum is 205. Now again by taking square root on both sides, the value of k is 14.32 centimeter. Now we have to calculate the value of L for this triangle. The value of k already we have calculated, 14.32 centimeter. So now the side opposite to angle 90, this side is hypotenuse. So L square is equal to k square plus 7 square. So value of k square, directly we can plug in the value of k square, that is 205, plus value of 7 square is 49, sum is 257. Again by taking 254. Now by taking square root on both sides, the value of L is 15.94 centimeter. So in this way we can find the value of all the unknown value from the given diagram.